you sick of losing body clips? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to be installing the Traxxas clipless body mount and post on my Traxxas / two-wheel drive. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the body post on the car. So we're going to open this up. Okay. Okay, so here's your screws and everything. Got, this must be the front, I think, and here's the back. This is a diagram for drilling your holes. Instruction manual. Okay, so let's get all this rest of this out of the way, then I'll start that. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is take these 4 screws out the back here. Okay, once you get that off, then to the front, and then there's 2 screws, one there and one there. Gotta unscrew those. You can take off like the whole front end to get to those, but I personally just bend on it a little because it's pretty, and I haven't broken it yet doing that. Just use the drill and screw it out like that. Okay, now got the front off. Now we're going to install the back clipless part first. Okay, so what you need for the rear are these 4 with this style. Let it focus. This style. The other ones are button head screw. Ooh. Or flat, more flat. So you need 4 of those. Then you need this one with this style, not this one. Then you screw it in the same place you had it. And you need a 2mm hex driver. There they are. Now, to do the front, you're going to need the 2 screws with the widest, like that, and then this. These fit in there perfectly. So this is gonna be a little harder to put on. Or does it go like this? Oh, never mind. Put them in. They go in like this. So from that side, and then these little crevices fit perfectly on this. The only bad part I would say about these body posts is there's no adjustability. You can't adjust how high you want the body. On the back you can, but the front you cannot. So that's one downfall of this, because you can't adjust it. Which if you have an well, I'll tell you at the end. Okay, so I'm having trouble putting it on because mine uses this style hardware, regular non-hex hardware, and the new one's hex, and the threads are different, so I'm going to try to use that instead of the new stuff, just because it'll make it easier and I don't got to take the whole front end apart to do it. So I'll do that and be right back. Okay, I got that on, but that was a pain in the butt. So now we're going to move on to the body. So I got a brand new body because the body I had is not a Traxxas brand body. So I don't think, I think the front clips would clip in, but the back, see how that is? And then this has the divots in there. So I don't think this one will work. So I'm going to be using this body. Just noticed, I don't think you can see it on camera. Oh, you can. They are just peel off stickers. So should be able to just peel it off and not even have to worry about anything. So I'll put them on the body. Now that I got that there, you don't need that anymore. And I believe this is all the sizes you need. It looks like 7mm for all of them. I do not have a body reamer, so I'm going to be using a drill bit. Okay, so now I'm going to drill out all the holes. And like I said, they're all 7mm, looks like. So just aim it in the middle of the body. Actually, one thing you might want to do if you're using a drill, which I just thought of because it isn't going in very well, use a small drill bit first, drill center of it, and then use the correct size. That way you won't wreck the body, or you'll be way more accurate with the drilling, because it's not tapered like a body reamer. So okay. And there it is. Now you just got to do that with the rest of them. I'll do that and be right back. Okay, so I got one set of it drilled through, but as you can see, there is like debris. So I'm just taking my Lexan scissors, sorry, and then just chopping it and smoothing it out. Then you might need to go through it again with the drill bit and smooth it out a little more. Okay, I got a front one drilled and a rear one drilled, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it, and then I'll do the other ones on my own just to make the video a little shorter. So first thing you're going to want to do is we'll start with the front. So the first thing you are going to want to do is take this, the right side, they're directional, and then the holes that you drilled, got to shove it down in there, and it has to be flush. Okay, once you get that on there, you're going to need one of these. And this is directional, so this one goes like that. Goes on each one, and then you take, let me see, you take these. They are 3 by 10mm, and you're gonna need these flat, or like these flat-headed ones with a curve on them. So the flat-headed ones with a curve on them, they go right into here, these two holes. Let me make sure I'm using the right one for this side, I'm not sure. So these are directional. This one, there's an L on it for left. And then it just goes. Gotta put it on there. Like that. Then these take a 2mm wrench. Let me screw them in. Well, they're pretty tight, try not to screw out because it's plastic. Okay. Now, next thing you need would be this. Then it goes on there like so. Like that. Then you take two 3x10mm screws. They aren't labeled, but if you line them all up in the instruction manual, there's sizes and there's only certain sizes, so you can take all of the one size and put them in a pile, and the next and the next and next, and then you won't get confused. So then just take those two right there and screw them in there, and screw them in there and there, and then you're good to go on the front. Now let's get to do the back. Okay, so now this, they're directional again. The back one just slides on like that, and there's a certain way. And then for this one, certain way also. Just take it, push it down in there like that, like so. Make sure it's flush. Take this, put it on the back here like that. And then you need the 3x8 goes to this one right here, facing the back, and the 3x10 goes to this one facing the front. You probably don't want to mess that up, otherwise it might go through the plastic. So yeah, I'll do this and then I'll show you how to do the rest. Okay, so once you get that on, you just take your clipless part like that, and then two 3x10mm screws there and there, and then same on the other side. I'll finish all this up, then I'll put it on the body and show you guys the finished product. Got it all mounted up. Now let's try it out. There it is. Clipless body system on a Traxxas two-wheel drive. And to get it off, it's pretty easy. Just there's little things under there that you stick your finger and they click and it clicks off. And this way you won't lose any body clips. So, and by the way, it is interchangeable with the slash BL2S. So like the bodies that come on them stock, they come with the clipless. So that will just clip right on if you want to buy a different body and you have clipless, or you can just buy more clipless kits for older bodies. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time.